Good morning, lads and ladies. Today we're doing a bit of a day in the work life of Jonah, a ToastyBros member. So we have a lot of things to do today. I want to do more of a day in the work life today because of the fact that since we don't really have a repair tech right now, I've been kind of back and forth between working as a repair tech at ToastyBros and then also doing all the ToastyBros stuff that I normally do, which, you know, right now we're kind of caught up, so isn't too much. I just kind of want to go through and give you guys a bit of an inside scoop on how things go on a normal day like here today. So let's take a look at what we have to do today for the schedule. So today is Tuesday, but we did not get the Walmart PC done yesterday because it didn't come in from FedEx, and it's still not here apparently, per Matt. So we have a $900 3070 PC and then an office tour, which we're basically going to be doing an office tour because we're getting a new NAS from a sponsor. So we also have to clean up the office today a little bit. I told Matt I was gonna do it yesterday, I did not. So we have a couple things to do today in regards for ToastyBros, but aside from that, we have like 2 repairs I have to do. A lot of just building, honestly. There's a couple PCs that have been waiting on parts, finally got here, so we're just kind of swapping everything over, doing some cleaning, and yeah, it's gonna be a fun day, so let's get right to it. All right, guys, so the motherboard is pretty much assembled. I also got the SSD swapped over. I didn't show that, but yeah, got the SSD swapped over, 7600X installed, ID cooling, SC214XT, T-Force, RGB RAM, and a V650. Going inside this customer's case right here, I got the old motherboard out, which was like a B450 from Asus, 3600 and a 5700. So yeah, pretty big upgrade for this guy. Only thing that I'm noticing is that he only had one 8-pin for his GPU, which was a 5700, and now his 7800 XT is gonna need some more power. So I'm trying to find a comparable 8-pin, which I can't find any 8-pins right now. So we're trying to find an option to also plug in for an extra extension, but that is gonna be a later problem. Because right now we're actually gonna take a pause on this repair, and we're gonna be going and doing some parts B-roll for the $900 3070 PC. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so we just got done with the B-roll, and Jackson is begging me to go to Taco Bell with him, so that's what we're gonna be doing next. Kind of a bit of a change in today's plans, but we got the parts B-roll in for the $900 PC, so I think we're gonna be building that after we get back, and I'll still try and sprinkle in some more of that repair that we've been doing last clip, so hopefully that can get done here soon as well. All right, guys, we got both PCs pretty much good to go now, so I'll show you guys this one right here. This is the motherboard swap and PC upgrade for someone that I know here. So yeah, I got the new GPU installed, which this is a 7800 XT, the Acer Predator model, and honestly, it looks really clean. This is like my first time seeing it in person, but yeah, this thing's really nice. 3 fans, of course. Nice and sleek black aesthetic, except for that Predator logo, which is blue, which kind of sucks. But overall, I think it's still a good trade-off for the entire card being as clean as it is. So yeah, we got it to post. Got the DDR5 auto booster enabled. So yeah, pretty much good to go for this one. I'm gonna have Windows reinstalled on it, and we're gonna get things all set up and ready to go for him. For this repair here, we added in the third RAM stick since one of his is bad. He wanted us to test it one more time to see if he can run the 24 gigs, and it seems to be doing pretty good so far. Pretty much gonna wrap up the current repairs right now. We'll get these 2 out of here, and then the last one that I have to work on is going to be this mess right here. So he's doing pretty much a new motherboard as well, getting some upgrades done with the CPU, power supply, all that good stuff from his old motherboard setup right here. It's currently 1:44, and I have to get a haircut at 3, and we have to do an office tour. So that'll probably be kind of where I ended the day after the office tour, and we're gonna get a quick cut, and then I'll be back to the office, and that's where we'll update you guys next. It is currently about 4 o'clock, so just got my haircut, and we are headed back to the office to finish up some repairs and pretty much just wrap the day up. Yeah, definitely not a normal day for me. Normally I'm doing listings and a couple other things, and maybe even a little more ToastyBros stuff, but in terms of the schedule today, it's definitely been weird, and the holiday season has really messed up a lot of stuff at ToastyBros because of just overall order quantity and the lack of time to get to repairs. So that's kind of what me and Jackson have been kind of going crazy on recently, is trying to get those caught up as best as we can. So overall, it's pretty easy stuff, but it just definitely takes a bit of time. Definitely looking forward to getting back to my normal schedule. Yeah, overall, it's been a pretty good day so far. So we'll just make it back to the office here in a few minutes, and then we'll continue our rest of the day. All right, guys, that is pretty much this PC all wrapped up here. We got the GPU installed. Jackson had to enable a couple things, and we were able to get back into SSD and just installed updates, drivers, and we're running a stress test on it right now to make sure it's all good to go. This one's all set. The only thing we have left to do is probably clean that PC case back there on the right and start getting the parts inside that dirty PC case and get that all cleaned up and ready to go for that customer there. Pretty busy day. It's currently 4:41, so I'll probably be here for another like 30 minutes getting that thing all ready, and yeah, you guys will see that process. All right, guys, so it is pretty much the end of the day. Actually, I'm a little bit over what I normally stay, and it's 5:40. So pretty much where we stopped at today is this poor customer, man. So first of all, he ended up actually bringing in the wrong CPU. He brought in a 5700X, and he got a B650. So we ended up getting him to a 7600X on his B650, but the other problem is that I can't believe I didn't realize it, but this case is a micro ATX case. So we can't... I actually tried putting the motherboard in, as you just saw. I was like, well, maybe that's maybe it's just a short ATX case. Remove the top fans, and then I actually looked down and I realized it's a completely different form factor case. So instead, we got an ATX case on hand for him, and it's just a basic Roswell case, and it'll get the job done. But as far as getting all that done, that's probably going to be tomorrow's task, because I pretty much got 2 repairs done today. Pretty happy with that, and yeah, this will be tomorrow's project. Poor guy, because whoever helped him out at whatever store he went to did not look out for him in terms of what parts he actually needed to get. So we'll get him fixed up, but that's going to pretty much wrap up a full work day in the life of ToastyBro or /PCBro worker. I did more PCBro stuff today, honestly. So hope you all enjoy this video, and if you did, let me know in the comments below, because I'll be sure to do another one. So thanks for watching to the end if you all did, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.